You just started playing drums? Here are your first 55 easy drum beats for beginners. Good morning, drummers. Today I have 55 drum beats for you, and all you need to do is download the free PDF with all the drum notes. You can also scan the QR code, which you can see here now. And then we start with the basics. The basics are just bass drum and snare drum, and you can play along to the video all 14 single exercises. Of course, because I said there are 55 of these exercises or drum beats, there will be more videos. So if you want to see the next videos, which all build up onto this very first one, which you're watching now, you should subscribe to the channel, and then you will get notified when the next video is up. So without further ado, just start drumming, and good luck and have fun playing along with it. Cheers and talk soon. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned to play your first drum beats. If that's the case, I would like to welcome you to hit the thumbs up. And if there are any questions, feedback, critics and so on, just leave a comment just below the video. Enjoy and talk soon. Bye bye.